In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the bumper from a VF Commodore. I'm also going to be cleaning out the inside and replacing the grille. As you can see, it's pretty dirty, so I'm going to fix that up. First thing you'll need is a ratchet or screwdriver with a Torx head. Undo these 6 screws. Next, use a 10mm to undo the 4 others up the top. Once that's done, the plastic can be removed. With the plastic now removed, there's 2 more 10mm bolts and then 2 plastic retainers. These can be easily removed with a flathead. Now everything on top is done, you'll need to remove these 4 screws underneath. Now moving on to the wheel arches, there's 3 more screws that need to come out. Now you're ready to remove the bar. Carefully pulling out from the wheel arch, it should pop straight off. Repeat for the other side. If you're doing this on a GTS, there is one electrical cable connecting the bumper to the car. Pull down on the red tab and then squeeze the middle of the clip. It should come off fairly easily. This is the plug here. Now the bumper's off, I'm ready to clean. First I'm going to spray a heap of orange agent and hit the whole panel with a brush. Now I'm going to dry it down with a rag and get ready to apply Mr. Black. For this I've got some flash prep. I'll spray down the entire panel, wipe it and then wait for it to dry. The plastic is now as clean as I can get it and ready for Mr. Black. At this point my camera died and stopped recording, but here's the finished product. Now moving on to the grille, the first thing I did was remove the badge. Remove the 3 retainers and the backing plate and it will slide straight off. Next you need to remove the 2 sensors and the 10 plastic clips. They all come out pretty easily, although I'd suggest taking the grille off first to do this. Now pop out the grille, pushing outwards on the white tabs. And now we're finally ready to put on the new grille. I had some trouble clipping in the grille and had to heat and bend the clips. Unfortunately, it still wasn't perfect. Then I put the bumper back on the car and screwed everything in. Here's a video of what it looked like before. This is what it looks like now.